हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज शिनंती। वेलकम बैक टू अनदर वीडियो। सो आज की वीडियो में मैं करने वाली हूँ फुल फेस ऑफ स्विस ब्यूटी मेकअप एंड ऑल्सो इट्स गोइंग टू इंक्लूड अ लॉट ऑफ स्विस ब्यूटीज न्यूली लॉन्च्ड प्रोडक्ट्स. So yeah, I'm super excited for this video and this is the look I'm going to be creating in this video. So yeah, so basically this is a summer friendly bridesmaid look and also it's super minimal and elegant and also beginner friendly. So if you're someone very new to makeup, you can totally try out this look. So without any further ado, let's get jump into the tutorial. Alright, now let's start the makeup. So first step, I'm using this primer. This is mattifying primer, basically a silicone based for pore filling and everything. It's a really good one for people like me who have really open pores and oily skin. It's really good. That's it. You can see that instantly it mattified my face and it's really good. Alright, my skin prep is done. Now it's time for face makeup, and for that I'm gonna use this high performance foundation from Swiss Beauty, and I'm in the shade 03, which is natural beige. So still, this is the summertime bridesmaid look. I want to keep it super minimal, fresh and yet put together. So I'm gonna use very little foundation. I think that's it. That's enough for me. And I'm gonna blend this with a brush. So I know it seems to be a little light, but I'm gonna manage that. So don't worry. Okay. ओके, सो मैं यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा नेक पे भी लगा रही हूँ जस्ट टू इवन आउट माई स्किन टोन. सो एंड इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट स्टेप बाय द वे. डू नॉट फॉरगेट योर ईयर एंड योर नेक whenever you are applying a proper base makeup. Just look at that glow. I mean, it looks so pretty. I'm loving my base right now. It's so natural. It's just like a, thin layer. It's still looking like a my skin, but it's so much better. I just can't express in words how flawless and how lightweight my skin is, like my base is looking. I'm loving it. So now it's time for concealer because I do have discoloration, of course. So for that I need a concealer and I'm gonna use my trustworthy this Swiss Beauty concealer. I don't even remember how many bottles I've finished of this particular concealer. It's that good. So this is in the shade 02 and it's a little bit highlighting on my face क्योंकि आज थोड़ा सा like highlighting concealer तो बनता है because we are doing bridesmaid look. So yeah, why not? ओके, मैं बस इतना ही लगाऊंगी क्योंकि आई वॉन्ट टू कीप माई बेस रियली लाइट वेट. सो या जितना ज़रूरत है बस उतना ही. अगर मुझे लगेगा कि थोड़ा सा और ज़रूरत है देन आई विल गोना बिल्ड इट अप ऑब्वियसली, बट एज ऑफ नाउ दिस इज़ आई थिंक ओके. That's it. I don't think I need any more concealer. So yeah. Alright, now let's moving on to the next step, which is a powder. And for powder I'm going to use this oil control compact powder from Swiss Beauty. And the best part is you will get two types of compact in one. So the first one is matte and the next one is it has a little bit of shimmer to that for that glow. I think this is a really good travel friendly compact powder to have. First I'm going to use the matte one to set my under eye because you can't set your face with a shimmery powder, right? So now to set the rest of my face, I'm going to use this shimmer compact because it's going to give that glow. So yeah. Now it's time to give my face a little bit dimension. So for that I'm going to use this Chickaboo palette. It's a all-in-one face palette. In one palette you will get a contour, blusher and a highlighter. I think it's a really great palette to have. So now let's start with a contour. Just I'm going to tap the excess because this is too pigmented. And I'm going to like contour all the usual areas, so nothing special. Just look at that. It's pigmented, at the same time it still looks super natural. So and also I'm like using this contour on my forehead because I do have really broad forehead. So if you have a really smaller forehead, then you just skip this step. That's it. Now I'm changing the brush and going to contour my nose a little. Alright, contour is done. Now it's time for blush. I'm using, of course, this blush. It's super pigmented. I've just touched the palette and just look at the pigment. Oh my god, you have to be super careful while using this. Just again tap the excess and applying directly on the apples of my cheeks. Just look at how pretty the shade is. Little bit on my nose. And chin. There you go. Just giving me that beautiful fresh sort of look. Oh my god, I'm loving it. So my blush and contour is done. मैं highlighter अभी use नहीं कर रही हूँ. After doing the entire makeup, I'm going to apply the highlighter. So my base is done. Now it's time for eye makeup. और आज मैं eye makeup बहुत ज़्यादा like light रखने वाली हूँ, minimal होने वाला है. And since this is a summer bridesmaid look and like light and subtle makeup is now on trend, so I'm going to keep it super simple. Okay. And for that I have these two eyeshadow sticks. These are chrome and matte eyeshadows. These are basically creamy stick eyeshadows. So the green one is Garden Blossom 05 and the pink one is Autumn Break 04. So today I'm going to use this pink one, which is Autumn Break, because green to इसके साथ नहीं जाएगा. So yeah. So first I'm going to use this matte side as my transition and base shade. I'm using it all over my eyes. Just look at that, how pigmented this is. So before it just dries down, I'm going to blend it. It just blends like a dream. Like I don't have to like move my brush to blend this, and it just blended in no time. Oh my god. So look at that. Applying the same shade, of course, on my lower lash line as well. And blending with the same brush. It just really pigmented. And the best part of these eyeshadows is like, एक बार ये settle हो जाता है तो it's just set for the day. It won't smudge, it won't budge, and it's completely matte. You know what I mean? So it's super duper long lasting. All I want to say is, all right. Now it's time for the shimmer. Oh. Just look at that. So, wow. All right, now on this eye. This just applies and blends like a dream. I can't express how buttery, how soft this is to work with. And I think it's perfect for beginners. I mean, you can get a total grip like on your eye makeup, and it's so good. And the best part is you will get a shimmer and a matte in just one stick, and it's so travel friendly as well. And I think you can create a super glam to very minimal everyday sort of look with this. So it's really, I think it's a must-have in your collection. I think this eye look needs some eyeliner, so alright, so my eyeliner is on. Now it's time for the last step of eye makeup, which is mascara, and also my favorite step. So for the mascara, I'm gonna use this Precision Thickening Long Lash Mascara, and it's one of their best seller and also one of my favorite from their mascara range. This is just one coat of the mascara, and just look at the difference. I'm gonna build up the mascara, of course, because I want that full thick look, because I'm obsessed with mascara, and at least 2 to 3 coats of mascara is mandatory for me. Now the lower lash. And you know what I love the most about this mascara? Like, kitne bhi coat kyun na laga lo, it won't crump your like eyelashes. You can see that, right? It just like separated here at the same time. It's giving me that beautiful volume and length. It's just so beautiful. Alright, now it's time for the lips, and for that I'm going to use this My Shine lipsticks. These are their These are one of their newest launch, and I really like the packaging. It's so cute. you have to just pump it from like here, and it also has a really beautiful heart shaped bullet. It's so pretty, it's so cute. By the way, I have two shades. So one is 02 Nude BFF and the another one is 04 Rose. These two are like so pretty shades. These are super pigmented. Oh, I just totally forget to apply highlighter, so I'm gonna go back to this palette and apply the highlighter from this palette only. Alright, so my makeup is done. Now it's time to add some jewelry, so I'm going to go off camera and then I'll be right back. Alright, so my look is complete. मैंने jewelry पहन लिया है and this is my final look. And also, as you can see that I'm wearing silver jewelry because the shimmer I've used here is little bit on a cool tone, so that's why. And I think this is more like my style because I love wearing silver jewelries, and I'm really loving how this look turned out. It looks so minimal at the same time really classy. I totally love this look, so let me know in the comment section below what you guys think of this look. And yeah, that's it for today. See you in my next video. Bye.